Getting a new fridge is an easy way of making your fridge more efficient, but that's not an option for everyone. So here are some additional ways to make your fridge more efficient. To keep things cold, when I'm shopping, when I'm checking out, I put things into like these reusable lunch cooler bags. You could also use a regular cooler, and they also make specially made reusable shopping bags that are made for hot and cold items. You'll want to get your items put away as soon as you can when you get home from the store. I also like to refrigerate my vegetables and fruits to keep them fresh and keep bugs out of them. I keep a list of some of the things I keep in my fridge and freezer so you don't have to keep opening it. For cleaning up around the outside of my fridge, I moved some of the magnets to a different surface that is also magnetic attractive. Keep your fridge coils clean and make sure you have enough space on all sides, at least 1 inch or at least 3 centimeters. Keep the fridge door closed as much as possible and keep the magnetic strip clean to make sure it has a good seal. Let hot food items cool down a little bit. Make sure they're covered in containers to keep moisture out, but get them in the fridge soon enough so germs don't collect. Keep heat sources away from the fridge, including stoves, hot plates, microwaves, coffee makers, bread makers, and toasters as much as possible. And keep your room thermostat at a reasonable level. Make sure you have the fridge settings properly adjusted. This fridge is set at the cold setting, not the coldest, and it is staying in the proper range at about 33 or 34 degrees Fahrenheit, about 1 degree Celsius, which is above freezing and well below where food will spoil fast. Leave the switch to get rid of extra moisture off if it is present, as this actually creates more heat. The problem with ice cube trays is if they're not completely covered, the ice will evaporate and will also make your freezer work harder. Since I don't have my freezer completely full of food, to make it more efficient, I have freezer packs I bought, as well as homemade Energy Saver water. First, we can clean or rinse out the container. There's no need to take off the label. I'm going to write Energy Saver water on each of these. You can use water straight from the faucet, or you can use filtered water. Make sure it is cold. Might want to use filtered in case you drink it later. I'm filling it about 2/3 full. That way the water can expand when it freezes. Make sure to get the lids on them so the moisture don't go into the freezer, which makes it work harder. Most sealable containers work. Don't use chemical cleaning containers. Soda pop containers must be refilled with water, 2/3 full. Put the Energy Saver water into the freezer. If you do get a more energy efficient fridge, don't keep the old one or a second fridge or freezer. Properly recycle the old one.